Hey, it's Mike with Carbonize This, and today we're going to find out what happens when you carbonize some classic childhood toys. So first up, we have some alphabet blocks, and I remember these toys from my childhood. We then have a little wooden top. We also have some other blocks that have some pictures of a jack, a kite, and a yo-yo, and we'll see how those turn out when we carbonize things. And all of these are painted with non-toxic paint. We also have what looks like Legos, but it's actually candy. We can't run real Legos through our carbonization process because the plastic would just melt and off-gas some toxic fumes. So these are made out of sugar. Along with those Legos, we have this masterpiece that my kids made. Do you think it'll maintain its structure? Do you think it'll fall apart? Will it melt? Will it turn into caramel? Put what you think is going to happen in the comments. So last up, we have this little tabletop foosball table. We picked this up from our local thrift store. So we'll see what happens with the wood edges here. When we've done thin wood pieces in the past, they've kind of curled and warped. We'll see if that happens there. And we'll see if these poles and the ball and these little people stay intact or if they just crumble. Time to load things up. We'll put this in the bottom, and we'll put some other items in here in a minute. So the real challenge now is whether I can get this barrel inside of that barrel without knocking over the castle that's inside. Okay, I think I was successful. So we've upgraded our lighter a little bit. Fire's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chimney on it, and then it'll burn down, and I'll come check it and make sure the lid's sitting on there right. And then we'll just monitor it throughout the day, and we'll see you back here in a bit. We let it sit overnight, and now it's time for the reveal. I'm going to carefully lift this out. Oh. All right. A little windy today. We're expecting some snow. Oh my goodness. You're not going to believe this. All right. Okay, come check it out. Our castle grew. Wow. All right, I'm going to try to take out just the pie plate that had our little Lego castle. Okay, this thing is light as a feather. I don't even know what to say. So it is extremely light and airy. So I guess that those Legos that were sugar, they were candy Legos, they were just compressed sugar, and that expanded and then caramelized into this monstrosity. You can't even make out any Legos. That almost looks like the top of the castle. So here's the rest of the toys. This looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna see, we're gonna break this in half and see what it looks like in the middle. Let me slide this over. First I'm gonna take it out of the pan. And you can just see where the sugar just bubbled up in there, caramelized, and then turned to carbon. This is paper thin. Hollow in parts of it. It's almost like a hornet's nest. It's just gonna crumble. completely carbonized. Well, thank you, Win. So we got this top, and it's still pretty firm. It's warped pretty bad, so it'll probably wobble if we can get it to spin. There we go. Let's try that again. All right, let's see if we can break it. All right, so that already came out pretty easily. This is actually pretty solid still. Let's look at these wood blocks. So I kind of want to save where it says Carbonize This. So let's pick this one. You can see it's warped. Still has all the detail on it. That's pretty cool looking. All right, let's see if it breaks open. Yeah. So it's brittle like you would want for biochar. So the top must be a really, really dense wood, because it is not breaking at all. Oh, there we go. I just got it to break. Yep. We've got one more item in the retort. It's that foosball table that we carbonized. So it turned out pretty cool. Actually, a little bit better than I expected. The sides did curl up like we thought it would. And they're going to be very brittle. We'll see if we can get one of these people off of here. All right, let's see, this is going to be brittle. Yeah. That'd make great biochar. Here's that ball. See, it actually comes apart in two segments. It's got some bronze in it, right there. So that's about what we would expect from a wood item structured this way. We can break that up and use that in the garden. So we had fun playing with toys today. Some of these items are going to be turned into biochar and others are going to be made into works of art. If you have any suggestions on what we should carbonize, put them in the comments below, and like and subscribe.